Local AI is exploding and two names dominate the conversation: Ollama and LM Studio. Both let you run powerful language models directly on your machine. Ollama is all about simplicity and speed. One command and boom, you're running models like Llama, Mistral, or even custom fine tunes. It's lightweight, developer friendly, and integrates smoothly with coding workflows. If you want to spin up models fast without drowning in setup, Ollama is the clear winner. LM Studio, on the other hand, is the power user's playground. It gives you a polished desktop interface, model marketplace, and fine grained control over parameters. You can test prompts, compare outputs, and manage multiple models in one place. It's heavier than Ollama but perfect if you want a full-featured local AI lab. So Ollama wins for developers and minimalists. LM Studio wins for tinkerers and experimenters. Ollama is the fast lane. LM Studio is the full workshop. Pick the one that fits your style.